Hello, welcome to Math Focus. How to solve for x in this equation 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x plus 2 is equal to 100. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. We have the given equation 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power s plus 2 is equal to 100. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then this can be written as 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x multiplied by 3 square is equal to 100. Now, as you can see, we have 3 raised to power s here and 3 raised to power s here, which means 3 raised to power s is common. Let's bring it out. This is 3 raised to power x bracket. If you divide this 3 raised to power s by this 3 raised to power s, we have 1, plus if you divide this, the whole of this, by 3 raised to power x, we have 1 multiplied by 3 square is equal to 100. Then this is 3 raised to power s bracket 1 plus 1 multiplied by 3 square, that is 9, is equal to 100. Then this is 3 raised to power x bracket 1 plus 9, that is 10, is equal to 100. Let's divide the whole of this equation by 10. 3 raised to power s multiplied by 10, then divided by 10 is equal to 100 divided by 10. This 10 cancel this 10. 10 here 1, 10 here 10. Then 3 raised to power s is equal to 10. Now let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Then we have log 3 raised to power s is equal to log 10. Then take note of this, that if you have log a to the power of b is equal to b log a, this can be written as s log 3 is equal to log 10. Then this is s log 3 is equal to log 10, can be written as log 5 multiplied by 2. Then if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then the whole of this can be written as s is equal to log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 3. S is equal to log 5 over log 3 plus log 2 over log 3. S is equal to, if you have log a over log b, this is equal to log a base b. Then the whole of this is log 5 base 3 plus the whole of this log 2 base 3. Then this is the final answer. You may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation 3 raised to power s plus 3 raised to power s plus 2 is equal to 100. Then this is the same thing as t raised to power s is equal to 10. Now let's express this. We have t raised to power s is log 5 base 3 plus log 2 base 3 must be equal to 10. Then we have 3 raised to power log 5 base 3 multiplied by 3 raised to power log 2 base 3 must be equal to 10. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b, then this, the whole of this is 5 multiplied by the whole of this is 2, must be equal to 10. Then 5 multiplied by 2, this is 10, is equal to 10, which is true. Let us solve this using another method called natural logarithm method. Let's call this method 2. We have the given equation t raised to power s plus t raised to power s plus 2 is equal to 100. Then this is the same thing as t raised to power s is equal to 10. Let's take the natural log on both sides of this equation. We have ln of t raised to power s is equal to ln of 10. And of course, you can also get the log of, the natural log of 10 directly. So this is x ln of 3 is equal to ln of 10. And let's divide both sides by ln of 3. This divided by ln of 3. So this ln of 3 cancel ln of 3. S is equal to ln of 10 over ln of 3. And this is same thing as ln of 5 multiplied by 2 over ln of 3. So S is equal to ln of 5 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. So S is equal to ln of 5 over ln of 3 plus ln of 2 over ln of 3. Then this also the same answer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.